This is the Mr. Heater that I bought on Amazon. It's a 30,000 BTU unit. And when it turns on just fine. But when it turns off, it seems to make a roaring sound.
Okay, Ray, let me hear it. I cannot hear it yet.
Give it a minute. Does it when it's turning off.
Okay, maybe let's try it again.
There.
Yes, I heard it.
It's not supposed to do that.
Okay.
That means something is dirty inside the heater.
So what are you going to do about it?
Oh, we're going to take it apart and find out what's not clean.
Okay. So what are you going to clean?
Well, there's a nozzle that the propane travels through to get to the heater to light.
So how come?
I'm being careful here, because if I twist the nozzle all by itself, it'll twist inside the heater. I can't do that.
Oh, so
I have to use 2 wrenches so that it comes off without damaging anything.
Okay, so how are you going to clean it?
Oh, I'm going to clean it with a soft toothbrush and an ear cleaner.
So you can see with naked eyes then?
Yes, you can see the dirt with the naked eye.
So now you're putting it back?
And now that I've got it clean, I'm going to reassemble it.
Okay.
And then we'll test the flame again and see what it does.
Okay. So what are you doing now?
I'm lighting it. You see the pilot light there?
Oh.
That lights the flame for us.
Okay.
Now it's a pretty blue flame like it's supposed to make.
Okay.
Now we wait until it comes up to temperature. And then after that, when it starts to turn off, we'll listen for that noise again. See if we get it.
Okay, so this blue flame is named after by its model, correct?
Yes.
Ah.
It's a blue flame model.
Oh, I see. Okay. No wonder why every time I come to this, it just the old one wasn't working, and then I was so cold. And so this one is pretty, eh?
Yes.
You got it from Amazon? Oh,
it's pretty to look at. Looks just like a fireplace.
Yeah, eh?
There we go. It shut off. No noise. There's a little bit of flicker there because it's burning the leftover fuel, but other than that, no roaring sound.
So that's how it get rid of the. It flickers to get rid of the
leftover fuel.
Okay.
So that's all right. It's okay.
And what's that light is about?
That's the pilot light. So that it can turn on and off automatically by itself.
Oh.
You just turn it on, set it at a temperature, whether it's number 1, number 2, or whatever, and then it turns on and off on itself when it comes to temperature.
So that's all there is to it?
That's all there is to it.
And it fixes the roaring sound?
Yes, it does.
Oh, I see. Well, thanks, Ray, for helping. Well, thank you, viewers, for watching our